If you're someone who has trouble pairing eyeshadow colors, you're definitely going to want to grab a quad. Eyeshadow quads are absolutely foolproof. It's like you can't mess it up because it's literally telling you what shades to use. So I'm going to be using the Cozy Neutrals ColourPop eyeshadow and eyeliner kit in the shade Sweetie for the palette and Sunny Bow for the liner. Now first I'm going to go in with Cinnamon Roll, which is this color right here. And forgive me please because my brushes are not clean. I'm sorry. Don't judge me. Now I've already prepped my eyeshadow, my lids off, camera, just with some concealer. So I'm just going to pop that in the crease. It's a little bit lighter than I normally would use, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to show you how to make it work. So you're just going to pop that back and forth in your crease, just little windshield wiper motions, and then just going to buff that out also. Then we're going to go in with the darker shade, which is the shade right here, which is Dough It, I think it's called. I don't have my glasses on. It's called Dough It. So we're going to tap in that with a smaller tapered blending brush. Always tap off that excess. And then this is the color we're going to pack on the outer corner. I'm just going to pack that on. And then you're just going to go in and softly blend that out. This color right here, this darker color, is going to add some depth and dimension to the eye. Already, you can start to see the difference, right? And guess what? We're almost there, halfway there, just 2 more colors, and then we're done. So you just really want to make sure you're blending that out really, really well. Now we're going to go in with the first shimmer, which is this color right here called Freshly Baked. And I always go in with my shimmers first on my finger. And then you're just going to press that on the lid. This is more of a glitter. So you kind of sort of want to press, and roll to really make sure that that is, getting onto the eye really well. And what I like to do sometimes is take a smaller, take an eyeshadow brush just to get in the corner to make sure it's really nice and create that crescent shape, if you can see that. And then you want to go back in with that second brush. You don't have to put any more products on it. Just go over it. There's still some product left just to blend that together so it's nice and seamless. You don't ever want to see a line of demarcation, like color, start, stop. Everything wants to be nice and blended. I'm actually going to go in and deepen that up a little bit more. And guys, we literally have one more step and then we're done. So now I'm just going to take this little eyeshadow, this lighter color right here, which is brown sugar. So just going to take that and tap it right in the inner corner. Now, normally I would use a brush, but I don't have one right now. Just going to tap that. And guys, we're done. So I'm going to finish the other eye off camera and come back and show you the finished look. So I'm back. Now you can actually stop here if you want, but if you want to take the look up a notch, you're going to follow this next step here. So I'm just going to line my waterline. And then I'll drag it down just a tiny little bit underneath the lower lash line. And then you're going to go back in with that second color, with that second shade that we did, which is Dough It, and just tap it in. Again, tap off that excess. And then we're just going to smudge out and smoke out the lower lash line. So super simple, super easy. It only took a few minutes. Like I said, foolproof. You cannot mess this eyeshadow look up at all. I guarantee you. And these little kits right here, they retail for $14 and you can grab yours from the link down below. So remember to like this video, comment, and of course, do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you do not miss any videos. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.